In this video guys, I'm gonna show you step by step how you can make money on YouTube without showing your face and without using your voice and just by using Canva. Okay, so this will be an easy and quick tutorial for beginners who want to start faceless YouTube channels. This video is for you. I'm gonna share with you an easy niche that you can start using just Canva without investing any money. Okay, let's get started. As you can see, I did some research and I found this faceless YouTube channel uploading fire videos, as you can see, and those videos are getting a lot of views. Okay, and if we click over here on view channel state, you can see that this channel, okay, let me show you, in the last 13 days this channel got 31 million views. Okay, that's really million of views, that's a lot of money. Okay, and if you go to this website, the Social Blade, this will give you an estimated earning of this channel. If we scroll down, you can see over here it's the same channel, as you can see, and as you can see over here, this channel is making $7K per month. Okay, you can see over here $7K per month estimated monthly earning with 31 million views. Okay, and if you scroll down, you can see over here monthly gained video views. It's keep going up. Okay, this channel keep getting more views and of course making more money. Okay, and it's really super easy to make like those videos. Okay, if we click over here on popular, let's see, and as you can see, those videos are really getting a lot of views. Okay, so to start making like those videos, what you need to do is you just need to go to Google and you need to search for Canva. Okay, and sign up to Canva by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page. Scroll down, click over here on video. Okay, and it's gonna take you to this page over here. Okay, what you need to do next, click on elements. Okay, and click over here on elements, search for fire. Okay, search for a fire, click on videos and scroll down. You will find a lot of videos here about fire that you can use. Okay, and of course for free. So let's scroll down, let's find a good video. This one looks good. Let me see if we can find some good videos that will be nice. So this one looks really nice, as you can see. I will click on this video. Just click on the video that you want to use. Your video will be over here. Click on this 3 points, click on set image as background. Okay, like this, then swipe left, click over here on add page and add the same video because we need to make this video long. Okay, and click on add page, add the same video, swipe left again, click over here on add page, add the same video like this, click on these 3 points, set a video as background, swipe left, click on add, and just keep clicking on add page and go to this page like this. Click on this page, click on this video that you want to add, this 3 points, click on set video as background, click on the next page and click on this, and you should make this video long. Okay, because people enjoy watching and listening to the to those fire videos. Okay, click on this 3 points, set image as background, and I'm gonna add this one, the last one, like this. Okay, after you finish, swipe right, go to the first page. Okay, let me show you. Go to the first page. Between those two pages, click over here and click on add transition and choose which transition you want to add. I'm gonna add this one and I'm gonna make it to just 3 seconds, 0.3. click on apply between all page and here you go. What you need to do next, so let's first check this video. Let's check and let me know in the comments guys what's your opinion. It's really super easy to make like those videos. Okay, easy niche that you can start as beginner. And as you can see guys, it's really nice, and as you can see, it's like those videos, it's the same. Okay, you can see those videos like this, it's just the background with fire videos. And this video is 10 hours, 10 hours. You can make those videos long on Canva. Okay, it's super easy. As you can see this one, okay, 10 hours. You can make it 1 hour if you want to start, and you can keep making long videos. Okay, and after you finish, click over here on share, scroll down, click on download, and this video will be download to your laptop. Then you can go and upload this video to your YouTube channel for free, and you can start this easy niche as a beginner if you want to start making some money. And it's working, of course it's working. This is an example. As you can see, this is an example of this faceless YouTube channel uploading fire videos, getting 31 million views per month. That's a lot of that's really millions of views. This channel is really making a lot of money. This channel should make at least 10k dollar per month, because 31 million, it's really a lot of views. Okay, so what you will do, like I said, you can go to YouTube, create your YouTube channel for free, make those videos on Canva. It will take just few minutes, as you can see, to make like those videos. Super easy, simple, easy, no editing needed, no scales, easy to make. Thank you so much for watching guys, and that's it. If you have any question, leave it in the comments, and see you in my next video.